Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove detection mode to the accessibility shortcuts menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Next, tap on Detection Mode. Tap on it to add or remove it from the menu. Now, when you see there is a checkbox right next to it, it is added to the menu. And if you remove the checkbox, it will be removed from the Accessibility Shortcut menu. So here, once we have selected, if you press on the side button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, here you should be able to see detection mode. And if I switch it off, now I triple click on the side button and detection mode has been removed from the accessibility shortcuts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.